Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down and find accessibility. Here we've got the Talkback option, so let's tap on it, and before we will turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, let's enter the settings, because here we can customize this mode. So as you can see, for example, we can decide if we want to speak the passwords aloud, if we want to feel the vibration feedback, if we want to use audio ducking, and so on and so on. What's more, we can set the gestures, so after tapping here you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up then down, up then left, right then down, and so on and so on. So plenty of options to choose from. Let me tap on swipe right, and here for example I can decide that after swiping right I want to overview the button. So I highly recommend to stay here and have fun with this section in order to personalize the Talkback mode. But let me get back, let me leave it like this, and let's turn on the Talkback actually. So let's tap on the switcher, and right now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on explore by touch, observe the text that you type, control display magnification, and fingerprint gestures. So just tap on OK if you are ready. And right now we should hear the Talkback, I mean the sound feedback, but probably it will speak in a second. Oh yes, I can hear the Talkback, so let me volume it down. And as you can see, if you will turn on the Talkback for the very first time, then it will open the tutorial, so you will be able to go through it and actually learn how to use this mode. But I would like to show you the shortcut of it, because if for some reason your device turn it on accidentally and automatically, then you will be able to learn what to do without the tutorial. So first of all, let me show you how to use something or how to enter the app, because you can do it the same way. So let me tap on the back button. You'll see a green frame around it, and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to activate. We just got back to the very first page of the tutorial, so let me do it again and again in order to get to the general settings, which are here. And right now I can show you how to swipe. It's quite easy. You have to use two fingers to do that this way, and as I said, it's quite easy. Or you can try it this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier and comfortable. So actually here we've got the basics of how to use the Talkback mode. So right now I can show you how to turn it off, and you can do it the same way we just turned it on. So go back to the accessibility, tap on it and double tap, tap on the Talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on OK and double tap, and the Talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.